welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how jackfruit pulp packs are made, step by step. Subscribe for more behind the scenes like this.
It starts with fresh, giant jackfruit arriving in bulk, inspected before it touches the line.
Each jackfruit is graded for ripeness and latex level to keep the pulp consistent.
Then the jackfruit enters a controlled, high-speed prep line. First, the jackfruit gets a deep wash to remove dust and surface microbes. A quick sanitation step protects the pulp from contamination.
Drying and final checks happen in seconds because speed matters. Jackfruit latex is sticky, so tools are prepped to keep the cut clean.
Now the real work begins, opening the jackfruit without crushing the aerials. That sticky latex shows why this factory line is engineered for jackfruit. The goal is simple: save the jackfruit aerials, remove the fibers. Seeds are removed fast because seeds change the texture of pulp. Aerials move forward, waste moves out, all separated on the spot.
Two streams, two outcomes. Aerials for pulp, seeds for byproducts.
Every batch is weighed to keep flavor and sweetness consistent.
Optical sorting catches what the human eye might miss. A quick chill stabilizes the aerials before pulping. Now we move into the core zone. Jackfruit becomes pulp. The pulper breaks aerials down into a smooth, even jackfruit pulp.
You can see the texture change in seconds.
Speed is tuned carefully so the pulp stays bright and fresh.
The factory balances thickness so every pack feels the same.
Sweetness is measured, not guessed.
Pulp travels in sealed pipelines to stay clean and protected. Filtration removes remaining fibers so packs are smooth. This is where texture becomes premium. Next comes the safety step: controlled heat treatment. Pasteurization protects flavor while making the pulp shelf-safe.
Heat is precise. Too hot ruins jackfruit aroma. Too low risks safety.
Every batch is tracked end to end.
Cooling happens immediately to lock in color and freshness. Fast cooling protects that sweet jackfruit profile.
Samples are taken to confirm texture, sweetness, and safety.
This is where consistency is proven, not promised. Now it is ready for the fastest part: packing.
Even the packs are prepared to keep it pulp clean.
No spills, no guessing, just perfect packs. This is the lightning speed fill. Precise grams, every time. A strong seal keeps oxygen out and freshness in. Every pack gets a traceable code. Speed looks chaotic, but it is controlled.
Weight control is automatic every second.
Safety checks continue even after sealing.
Branding is fast, but placement is exact.
Packed, boxed, and ready for cold storage.
Shrink wrap protects the boxes during shipping.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Strong seals prevent leaks and protect flavor.
Texture and color are verified from real packs.
Then it heads out, packed tight and temperature controlled. Cold storage keeps jackfruit pulp stable until delivery. Everything is logged for traceability. From sticky giant jackfruit to perfect packs, that is the journey. Traceability starts at the gate.
Even the transfer is designed for heavy jackfruit.
Latex control keeps the line moving.
Sensors keep cuts consistent, fruit after fruit.
Separation is instant. No mess, no slowdown.
This is how smooth pulp starts. Clean aerials only.
Seeds out, arils forward.
Nothing gets mixed, everything has its route.
The line is labeled to prevent any drift. The line is labeled to prevent any drift.
This is the transformation moment.
Sealed pipes keep jackfruit pulp protected. Smoothness is engineered.
Quality checks run in parallel with production.
Uniform mixing keeps flavor steady. Heat is controlled to the second.
The system is built for jackfruit pulp.
Cooling sets the texture for packing. Sterile packs, clean pulp. This is where lightning speed meets precision. Packs are formed on-site, then filled instantly. Zero waste, perfect timing.
seals are monitored live. A quick cool down protects the seal.
Every pack is traceable.
Underfilled packs never ship.
Final safety screening happens automatically.
Robots keep stacking perfectly aligned.
Boxes sealed, ready for pallets. Pallets are built fast for dispatch.
Batch matching prevents mix-ups.
Cold storage holds quality until shipment.
Temperature-controlled trucks keep pulp stable. And the packs head out to stores and kitchens.
Smooth, bright, and ready. From jackfruit intake to packing, everything is connected.
That texture is why this process matters.
Subscribe for more modern factory process tours.
And that's how jackfruit pulp packs are made, from start to finish.
See you in the next factory.